joyride, crew? What kind of joyride is that? Oh, fuck, hold on, man. Hold on.
The boat's in trouble. They don't overturn, the guys are in trouble. Maybe try to call the emergency services, eh?
Yeah, I guess so. Get to emergency service today.
Yes, I've got an emergency. A boat just overturned and 2 guys are in trouble. I think they need help, eh?
Can I have your telephone number, sir? Okay. Now, what is the emergency? Now, whereabouts, sir? Michelle. Okay, Michelle, we'll get everybody out there now. Okay, thank you. Thanks, bye.
Lucky Rescue, good day. Boat overturned, La Mercy. How many people in the water? 3. Okay, the vehicle and the chopper are mobile.
Yeah. Go on,
Searching corners, searching search to find myself, to see these questions through. Never mind this walk of shame, never mind it's all been done. I'm not really that bad, 'cause I got things to do. I'm just telling you that I just will not stop. No, I'm not giving up. But the same goes for you, same goes for me, same goes for dreams, all in million ways. Excuse me for what I say, for what I say. I'm taking back what is mine, and I'm gonna hold on tight this time, and nothing's gonna pry me loose. I hope that this will stay the truth. Maybe it's wrong, maybe it's right. Maybe this time I'm gonna come to life, and I hope you feel it too. And I can tell you things to do. And I'm just telling you that I just will not stop. No, I'm not giving up. But the same goes for you, same goes for me, same goes for dreams, all in all their weird ways. Excuse me for what I say. But the same goes for you, same goes for me, same goes for dreams, all in all their weird ways. Excuse me for what I say.
And lifeguards tried mouth-to-mouth resuscitation and CPR, but failed to revive Leroux. His wife, Mari Botha, was devastated. She said her husband told her that he would go swimming early and they should join him later.
And then 2 of them ran along, my son as well. They went into the sea. And the next thing I saw was the helicopter, and the helicopter didn't even, he wasn't even in the sky for not even 5 minutes. And they found him, and that's it.
The Pretoria visitor is the first person to drown in the Durban area since the start of the festive season. Beach officials have called on locals and visitors to take extra precautions and to obey the instructions of lifeguards and officials. Subri Govender, SABC, Durban.